So now, from the microphones and the stage to the studio, to the machine. How was it looking? Everything under control?
I am not from Vienna at all. Actually, I traveled here from Los Angeles, California. I came here for this very, very unique experience to cut a live recording directly to vinyl with Supersense and Burmester. I don't mean to be rude. Too many things I won't do, telling me to stay loose.
So the Sapphire basically cuts the sound waves into the grooves, because
I've never played a perfect show or had a perfect performance, and so the thought of recording directly to vinyl and, you know, hearing mistakes was like, oh, like, I don't know if I want to do this. Ever you like, I'll be here where you come for me. I'm flying so high that I don't care what you're thinking of me.
das Grundprinzip und das, was wir heute wieder probieren, ist, einen magischen Moment entstehen zu lassen, dass wann immer man sich diese Edition später anhört, diese gesamte Emotion dieses Momentes wieder spürbar wird.
Thank you. I'm really excited to hear what it sounds like. But yeah, I think it's going to be quite incredible to hear it through, you know, such amazing speakers. I don't mean to be rude. Too many things I won't do, telling me to stay loose. Yeah, I might seem aloof, hang out if I want to. I'm so done trying to be cool. Yeah. It's absolutely incredible. I'm blown away, truly. It smells like news. It smells like news.
Thank you very much.